Steam heritage railways across the United Kingdom continue to capture the hearts of enthusiasts and casual visitors alike, preserving a golden era of locomotive history that shaped the nation. These remarkable lines, operated largely by dedicated volunteers and passionate preservationists, represent living museums where history breathes through every piston stroke and whistle blast. From the rugged landscapes of Wales to the rolling countryside of England and the dramatic scenery of Scotland, these railways offer an irreplaceable connection to Britain's industrial past. Recent months have brought exciting developments across several prominent heritage lines. The Severn Valley Railway has announced a major restoration project for one of its flagship locomotives, with engineers dedicating thousands of hours to returning the engine to full working order. Meanwhile, the Ffestiniog Welsh Highland Railway has reported record visitor numbers this season, welcoming over 100,000 passengers through its scenic mountain routes. The North Yorkshire Moors Railway has successfully completed a significant track renewal program spanning approximately 12 miles of line, ensuring safer and smoother journeys for years ahead. Behind every successful heritage railway stands an extraordinary community of volunteers. Across the United Kingdom, an estimated 20,000 unpaid individuals contribute their skills weekly, from footplate crews and station masters to carpenters and boiler inspectors. The Bluebell Railway in East Sussex recently celebrated 50 years of continuous volunteer service, marking the milestone with a special gala weekend that attracted visitors from across Europe. These community efforts generate millions of pounds annually for local economies, supporting hotels, restaurants, and tourism businesses surrounding each line. The future of steam heritage railways in the United Kingdom looks remarkably promising. Several lines are actively pursuing Heritage Lottery Fund applications to secure restoration grants exceeding £2 million each. New educational partnerships with schools are introducing younger generations to railway history, engineering principles, and conservation values. With growing interest in sustainable tourism and authentic travel experiences, steam heritage railways are perfectly positioned to thrive well into the 21st century, ensuring these magnificent machines continue steaming proudly through the British landscape for generations to come.